This is where
we're inside one of Britain's Sharia courts. Our cameras on a rare tour tonight.
This is where the scholars would normally sit and have our consultation meeting with the husband and wife sat on each side.
It looks like a courtroom, surrounded by law books, legal files, and countless myths. One side versus another, a panel presides. Marital disputes, the most common type of case.
We've got the right of freedom of religion and expression. People come to us, we do not go out there and issue edicts, fatwas, or any rulings upon individuals.
But several years ago, this court was accused of advising a woman to mediate with her violent husband, an accusation that's denied.
If someone has suffered domestic violence, and if there is an injunction or an order, then we will make sure there are separate meetings. The husband, if he's not allowed, there's non-molestation or no order. So we will not call the husband and wife together because we'd be going against the law of the land. We don't break the law of the land.
And in the case of an injunction, you would respect the injunction, whatever that said?
Obviously, the thing is we will not operate out of and break any law of the land.
But he accepts that some Muslim women might be exploited by Sharia courts. This woman was legally divorced from her abusive husband, but came to the Sharia court to be satisfied of spiritual separation.
In the end, 5 years fighting, they said your marriage is annul, like it didn't happen. So from one side, I follow the UK rules and accept that decision because I live in UK and I have to follow the UK rules. But other thing, as a Muslim, I need a divorce because if I don't get the divorce, how can I marry with someone else?
Sharia courts are now the subject of an independent review.
You wouldn't mind having Theresa May up here to visit?
Not at all. More than welcome.
Here they say it's insulting that the government has placed it within its counter-extremism work. And there's no contradiction between the law of the land and the law of their lord. Rohit Kachroo, News at 10, Dewsbury.